Hey guys, this is Matt Core from ControlPaint.com, and I just want to thank you for purchasing this premium series, because it's these sales that keep the site alive and that keep it ad-free. So thanks for doing your part. I also think you're going to learn some interesting stuff from this process, because this is different than every other series I've released before. So far, everything has been about foundation technique. And finally, since I've laid out enough foundation, I'm going to show you how I work. And in this series, over the course of an hour, I'm going to walk you through creating this tank from start to finish. Now, in order to get it down into that short of a time span, I have to skip some button presses and some techniques because that's the stuff that I talk about in the other videos. In this, I'm going to focus more on why I'm making certain decisions and how I'm using Photoshop to get through this process as quickly as possible. This project took about 6 to 8 hours to complete, so it would be sort of like a full workday, but I'm not going to present it in a linear manner like that. As we go through these steps, I'm going to be focusing disproportionately on certain aspects. For instance, 20 minutes of the hour are going to be talking about the thumbnails and the roughs, although probably a third of the time was not actually spent making thumbnails and roughs. They're just that important, so I'm going to focus on them a little bit more. So understand that what you're seeing here is not going to be me hitting record and then working for an entire day. That would be boring. But we're going to look at all the major steps that allow me to go from rough to more and more refined, including using some 3D software, and eventually ending up with this final presentable piece. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the thumbnail sketching, the real heart of the painting.